Let's grow old in a house in Maine, just me and you.
Alright, so looking for exhaust leaks on this old beast, and I don't know how easy it is to see under here, but hopefully not that bad. Well, apparently the battery's dying already, so I'll have to switch cameras. Cat's blowing right out the side there. That'll be an easy weld. This joint seems fine. I think this is where I welded it last. That's the big one. Seems okay up there. Somebody else did this jobby. There's a little pinhole right here. And down here. Somebody welded the hell out of this with some flux core. There's a little hole on top. Not the worst thing of all time though. So, got a pinhole right here. Coming right from behind this little ball. And we got a big old crack right here. Alrighty. Time to fix. Alright, one of my first times getting to use the Eastwood unit again. Let's see, no idea what kind of settings I'm going to need for this. I'm just gonna like rock and roll with that. That's what I'm gonna go with. Yeah, alrighty. Looks like I'm getting too much material, so wire speed down a little bit. I mean, that'll probably seal the hole, so we'll give that a whirl, and we'll move on down the line. Next up, we got a little pinhole down here. And just to put the ground cable right under the camera tripod. Alright, no idea how that's gonna be, but let's check. Alright, so hard to tell because there's wind. I feel an ever so slight gust right there. At the other side. I don't feel anything out the other side. No leaks up here. No leaks up here. No leaks up there. Okay. Sorry, this is sideways. I feel a lot of heat coming off there, and I still feel a pinprick coming out of that the other side of it. I don't know if I'm going to bother with it right now, though. Yeah, I might as well hit it real quick while I'm under here. Okay. So just a tad more.
You want those?
Oh, I don't have any place back there. Well, that sounds really good. There you go. That pinhole is at least 95% gone. Just feel heat off of that. And I don't really feel anything out of there anymore. The big leak is out of the joint back there. That one's damned impossible to reach still.
With a brazing torch, I can wrap brazing rod around the top, melt it, get it hot, add to it, and know that I've got at least runoff into a lot of the small places. But if I get, Nate turned me on to this muffler bandage I did Heather's with.
Yeah.
You wrap it up, and as soon as it heats up, it turns to porcelain.
Yeah.
It just turns to porcelain, and I can wrap that if I get some of that. I've got a pack, but it froze.
Yeah.
I made that mistake. I got these U.S. World War II Navy speakers, by Obelinsky,
Yep.
and around the edges of the cone are brittle.
Yep.
I silicone them. It was an old tube of silicone. I think I got it at a garage sale. Must have been frozen. It's not dry.
All right, this is gonna be the hard one. I don't know how well I'm gonna be able to get over the top of that thing, but I'm gonna try real quick.
It was originally like, not fire engine, but that dark red, you know, and it was like a piece of crap. The guy wanted $800 for it. And I sent Eric a picture and I said, what are you going to do if I drive this to work tomorrow? And he goes, sweet. He answered me an email, sweet. And I tried to get it and it was already gone. I know, but I wanted
Hey,
to
Dad.
stop because I was done.
Dad,
Dad, quick.
pull the welder this way about a foot.
The whole box.
It's heavy as hell, so
No problem. I can go
That's-
close to the ground.
that's good. That's all I need.
You want it back 5/8 of an inch?
Yeah.
Is the alignment north and south and compass-wise correct?
It should turn east by southeast about 2/4 of a degree.
Will do, done.
Anyway, listen to me.
Hey, Dad,
Yes.
What?
turn up the wire feed speed about 1/4. Like 1/4 of a point.
Okay, from 3 to 325.
Yeah, that's good. Turn up the power a tiny bit too.
Half a point.
Sure. Sounds good. I mean, who knows, right? I'm doing it all by pure guess and feel. Oh, it's all real ugly. It's all real ugly, but when you got a rusty rig and you got a welder and somebody's already done the bodge job before you bodge it till it's better. The really nice thing about this, the weather, and I don't have any schoolwork to do. So, if anybody watched this all the way, hope it was entertaining. Later. Alright, well, it's a few hours after welding the exhaust. I ended up going over to my half brother's about 6 miles away
and taking some wheels and tires off of an Outback that was in a field, and then carting them back up to my brother's house, and then swapping them onto my dad's car because he was still on his winter tires. And now I'm actually back and done for the day. So this is my second day back from school. Already getting a lot done. Feels good. Later, folks. Hope you enjoyed. That's all I'm doing, even if there's another pinhole, I swear to God.